Hello class, this is a video tutorial on increasing or decreasing by a percentage. There are actually two methods to increase or decrease an amount by a percent. In this video, we'll take a look at the first method. For the first method, we simply calculate the percentage of the amount as we did in previous skills, and then we just add or subtract this to the original amount. So for example, here we have increase $25 by 12.5%. For this, you can now just, using your calculator, just find 12.5% of $25. So for this, I'm going to use a decimal, so 0.125 times 25. Straight to our calculator here, 0.125 times 25, that gives us $3.125. So this is the 12.5%, and the increase is we take the original and add on the amount that we just found. So take this amount and add on $25. This gives us $28.125. Very straightforward. So we find the amount, step one, and then we just add or subtract it to find the increase amount. So here we go again. Let's increase this by 27%. Well, for this, once again, you could just use a decimal or a fraction or the calculator. 27 over 100 times 123. 123. This gives us 33.21 centimeters. And once again, since we are increasing this, we take the original amount and add on the percentage that we just calculated. So we take this amount and we add on the original amount. This gives us 156.21 centimeters. And there we have it. Let's do now for a decrease. It's actually the exact same procedure, except with a subtract instead. So let's do this. So 3%, 0.03 times 55. This gives us 1.65 kilograms. And so now, since we are decreasing, we take the original and we subtract 1.65. This time I can't just do it in any order. It has to be the original minus the percentage. This gives us the final value of 53.35 kilograms. And for the last one, 72% of 173, so 72 over 100 times 173. This gives us 124.56. And we simply take the original now and subtract, because it's a decrease, by the amount that we just calculated. So 176 minus the amount that we just calculated, that gives us 51.44. And for this final example, there is no unit of measurement, so we just leave it blank, and it's just 51.44. So that is the first method for increasing or decreasing by a percentage. Hope to see you in the next video, and best of luck.